So I'm at Passo Godi, 1600 meters elevation, and this is the view. This is pretty cool. It's 40, 50 kilometers from where I'm staying, and it's nice. The weather is nice and the temperature is great, so that's the most important thing, because where I'm staying is 35 degrees and here is 27, so best temperature ever. So I'm going to move the car so that I can stay closer to where I want to eat something, and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm parked. I am in Pescina. I came here last year to charge. So I wanted to do another charge here. So let me pick. Okay, let's see if it works. It should work. Let's see. I'm at 54. Let's see if it's charging. Takes a bit to start charging. And it's green. Okay, so let's see what's the speed. 83, 95, 96. 96 is pretty good. So basically I came to Pescina. So I did a very long trip. I was in Passo Godi, on top of the mountain at 1600 meters. And I showed you before. Then I went down to Pescasseroli and I wanted to stay there, but I couldn't find a hotel or a place to stay because it's completely full. And then some other places there, they had some prices that are completely out of control, just crazy. Anyway, so I continued from Pescasseroli to the other side of the mountain. So it's this side. And it came all the way down from 1,200 meters to Pescina. Pescina, I'm not sure how much it's, probably 600 or 700 meters. So I charged on the way down. And now I'm back here. I'm charging 90 kilowatts. We'll charge to 80%, 80 or 85, depending on how long I'm going to stay here. And everything went well. The road trip was great. Unfortunately, I didn't take any videos in Pescasseroli. I wanted to, but I was looking for a place, and then there were a bunch of.
Turn left onto via
Okay, the navigation system is still on. Let me stop and trip here, and then I'll pick it again. Let me go back to the charging. Okay. So I wanted to stay there, but a bunch of people, was very crowded, and I couldn't find a place to stay. So I decided to get away. So I wanted to charge before I get home. So for tomorrow and the next days, I already have some charge left in the car. I recoup, I think, 3 or 4% coming down from Pescasseroli to here, which was pretty good. It's kind of warm here. It's 33 degrees, but there is wind, so it's not that bad. I have to go back home. There it's 35 or 36, so I wanted to get there as late as possible. Anyway, the road trip not over yet. I have to get home. I'll get back to you when I'm finished to charge, and everything's going well. So I'm done charging. Lock the door. Salve. And I'm done. Okay, great. Let me check how much I charged. Oh, it didn't tell me. Let me check the app. 23 kilowatts hour. Pretty good. So I'm done charging. I charge it until 85%, so I'm good for another day. I'll catch you when I'm home.
creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be